Hola guys, welcome back to T&Leetv, and today I'm doing a seafood boil. What you say now? What you do now? T&Lee, and we back with the crew now. Crab, shrimp, and you know we review now. Cooking up all this real nice food now. What you said now? What you need now? Mukbang, green screen, HD now. Go ahead and subscribe, join the family. T&Lee is the place to be. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, I have a seafood boil going on over here. I have some Dungeness crab, I have some lobster tails, I have some shrimp, jumbo colossal shrimp, and some sweet corn. And today's very special sauce, today I'm picking a different sauce. I'm trying the Chomp Sauce. This is my very first time trying the Chomp Sauce on this channel. And yeah, we finna get into this, so let's go ahead and say our grace and get it in. Lord, I thank you for this food you bless us with as you bless us as we eat it. Bless me nutrition to my body. Please don't let it hurt how day to cut me for eating this food or drinking this drink. Yes, son, this time I pray. Amen. Amen. I had to forget I was by myself. Like, it's not a us, but you know what I mean. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to T&Leetv because it's the place to be. Don't forget to check the description box down below for the Epic Empire family. Also, you see them in the corner. The code is water. Yeah, this is my new favorite water bottle. I carry it everywhere I go, and I love it, love it, love it. I stand by this 100%. You know why? Because it keeps my water cold, and I love cold water. Like, it keeps it cold forever. Like, forever. So don't forget to check the description box down below. There's a link for a giveaway. Also, if you want free shipping, if you want to order you one of these, use the promo code TV. And y'all, I forgot my scissors. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Y'all need some new scissors because these are broken. And I had like 15 pair of these. Not really, but about 5 or 6. And I can't find any of them. Go figure. But anyways, today I'm drinking ginger ale along with my water. So I got me some Canada Dry. The original one this time. I don't have any more of the blackberry because I drank it all. So I'm gonna have to give me some more. So yeah. Ooh, this thing hot. I burnt myself. Delicious. So I haven't had Dungeness crab in a long time. Looking for my napkins. Oh, they're under here. In a really long time, and I'm excited to try it. One more last look at the plate before I devour it. Time to get started. So I cooked this today. I've been cooking a lot of everything. Y'all, I'm burning my stuff. I need to get it together. A lot of the seafood. Y'all know Lee is a seafood cooker. But lady, good. I've been doing it all the time. You know. And I've become really good at it. I know how to cook, y'all, of course, but I never used to eat crabs, as y'all know, so I never like really cooked them, so. Y'all, Dungeness crab, the shell is much softer than blue crab. You can get right in it. All right, I'm gonna dip it in the Chomp Sauce. And then also, I have lime on my plate instead of lemon because it's lime in her sauce instead of lemon. Even though y'all know I add some lemon to it. Y'all know I gotta add extra stuff. I always do. But I tasted it before. Her sauce is good. I tasted it before I added the lemon. Make one the back head bounce. Just good. Chomp. Chomp Queen. I see you, Chomp Queen. These Dungeness are so good. Again, I haven't had them in so long. I see, girl. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. And it goes so good like when you put the lemon on there or the lime. Mmm. Really take it to another level. Oh, make like Nyiah. I'm burning myself. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Had to make it while I'm burning myself. That's the second time I was like, okay. Y'all, Lee in there making all that noise when I'm trying to record. So if you hear noise, that's him. He gonna record a boil too by himself. And then we're gonna do one together. Y'all, this is good. I remember I was talking to, well, I said 2 sentences at once. I was gonna say, I remember when I first tried Dungeness Crab, it was okay. But when I tried it again, the first time when we made it, we were just like testing it out. I was just talking to my sister Keisha, Miss Diversity 3 last night, and she was like, they kind of bland. And I was like, they can be. I knew exactly what she was talking about when she said it, because the first time we had it, it's like you gotta, it's like chicken. You gotta add your own flavor to it. It absorbs whatever flavor you add to it. And they good. I really like them. I'm gonna start getting more of these Dungeness crab. I'm gonna be answering another one of y'all questions in the community post on this video too. But first I must eat. This is good. As y'all can see, I'm enjoying myself with this Dungeness, yes, and the Chomp Sauce. Chomp Sauce. That's really good. I know she always says try it on the shrimp and the mussel. She says it's the best on there. So y'all, look at these big old shrimp. That's that colossal, big old colossal shrimp. Huge. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, I probably got a mess going on here. I be having stuff all over my face. All right. Ooh, look at the onions I got in there. Ooh. It's hot. I got onions. Everything. I'm just my necklace. That's good. Y'all got some egg. And yes, I peeled it this time. For y'all to like to see it peeled. And I got some corn. Yes, ma'am. And the chopped sauces goes. So what I did was I just went on her recipe. She has a video of how she makes it. And I just went on the video and got all the ingredients and made it myself. It's really easy to make. So y'all should definitely try it. I got a list of sauce. Well, not like a long list, but I'm just going down the line of sauces I want to try. So first it was Steph and Tosh. Well, excuse me, Renee would really love this sauce, Chomp Queen. So she tried it like I tried on T&Leetv. Nyiah tried on Nyiah. Which, by the way, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Link is in the description box below. Shameless plug. Oh my god. This corn is good. You want to taste a little spice, Where's that spice coming from? I put a little Old Bay. It's a little Old Bay in the sauce, but the sauce wasn't spicy to me. When I boiled it, I put a little Old Bay. I put a little red pepper flake in there too. But I did take the sauce and drizzle it on top. So probably when it was like, you know, settling, I'm getting that spice. I'm getting that hint of spice, you know. Y'all, these are good. This Dungeness crab, I got to get me some more. I just went in. Me and Lee went to Publix and we picked up some more for his boil. But I gotta get me some more. At Publix, they're $14.99 a pound. And you get two nice size pieces, like two halves, like the one I showed you. The one I just had, you get two halves that size. When you think about it, if you would buy it whole and fresh, they'd be like, what is it? $15.99 a pound. So you paying a good amount for that big crab, and all you eating is the inside. You don't eat the other stuff. You don't. I mean, I like it fresh, don't get me wrong. But you know, this is like the equivalent, and it's already peeled for you. It's already clean, everything. So this is a good alternative. So, and it's not a bad price if you think about it. Only $14.99, you get the whole crab except for the big shell. Unless you just like that inside stuff. Excuse me. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna have some of this egg right here. Ooh. And then I'm gonna get into the question. I know y'all waiting. Some of you. Some of you can care less. All right. So the question today is coming from Lisa Johnson. And her question was for me to tell you guys something about my life. So let's see, what don't you know? I'm pretty open. Let me see. Well, the people that are new to the channel that don't know, I'm a Floridian. That's right. We watching out for Dorian right now. I was actually born in Miami, Florida. I reside now in the Tampa Bay area, but I was born in Miami, Florida. But some people don't know that I lived in Jacksonville, Florida for 15 years. So basically, I did most of my growing up there. Did I get in my eye? Okay. Meaning, I did my middle school and high school, graduated there, had all my children there. Blah, blah, blah. This wasn't too hard to open. Good. That was surprising, but a good surprise. Alright, y'all. So this is a little lobster, so that's what I got out of that. It's some meat in, a little bit of meat in the tail, but this, I was tasting little pieces. It's good. But, yeah. I know y'all sometimes, see me when I do my hair or my nails. I did go to school when I was in 12th grade. I took cosmetology, but it's for the nails part, not the hair. And it was only 1 year, so I learned some stuff, but you know, got a little certificate or whatever, but nothing major. I always said I wanted to be a teacher when I grew up, but when I got older, I started to be like, I think I used to just say I wanted to be a teacher to make my dad happy when I think about it. Because I mean, I like playing teacher and everything, but I also want my dad to be proud of my decision on what I wanted to be growing up. And then when I saw how like the kids act, it changed my mind. It changed my mind, like to see how they're so disrespectful. I was like, how would I ever be able to teach kids like this? I was like, well, maybe I can teach like little kids or something, because these big kids out of control. So maybe that's why now you want to be a teacher. I always said I wanted to be a teacher, but I don't know if I really meant it. But I did used to, like, you know, you act like a teacher. Growing up to a chalkboard, I always wanted, like, one of my teachers in elementary school had a chalkboard. I mean, she used to keep her chalk in these little chalk holders. Like, it was silver. It was so cute. I just always loved it. I would go home and try to pretend to do it. And she would, like, put the chalk inside of it so she don't have to touch the chalk with her hand. And she'll write with it. I thought it was so cool. I don't know. Call me weird, but it intrigued me. So I wanted to do that. Then as I got older, like my mom, my mom always like did our hair, kept our hair done and all this kind of stuff. And she was good at that. So she passed that gene on to me with hair. So I wanted to do hair too. It's like, I couldn't decide. I wanted to do hair because I loved it. Learning, doing new styles and everything. I kept my hair done. Like, I would just do whatever. Like, I would learn how to do a style and then, you know, keep my hair done that way and learn something else and try it out to see if I could do it. I wanted to do that too. Also, I wanted to be a nurse. Y'all, I had so many things I wanted to be. I went to school for medical assisting. And I graduated with a 4.0. I never went into it. Just another thing about myself. So crazy. Waste the money. That's another reason I didn't go into it, cause at that time I had just given birth to my son, and I was home. You know, I was taking care of him. I wasn't home. I was working, but I was taking care of him. And then when I was like, I'm gonna say I don't want to. Well, this is what I said. I was just like, I'm your job, and then get me a reliable car, which I did. Got me a job, got me the car I wanted, loved it, and then that's around the time where I got sick. Like right after that, that was my plan. I was like, I don't want to get into, like, after I graduated school for medical assisting, then I was just like, well, I need reliable transportation, because at the time the car I had no longer worked. So I was like, I'm gonna work here. I'm gonna save up enough money. I'm gonna get me a nice car, or give me a reliable car. And back then I always like big cars, like Grand Marquises, like the boy cars, Crown Victorias, the big boy type cars. And I was just like, I'm gonna save up, I'm gonna get my car, which I did, and then I'll go into the field, because that's where I have reliable transportation, because I don't want to start nobody's job. I can't get back and forth to work, right? Like in the field that I really want to do, I want to be there for a long time. Right after that, literally right after that, is when I got sick and almost died. Yeah, my life is crazy. And that's the story I'm gonna tell y'all when Keisha come. Cause she gotta be here, cause she was there. She could tell the story. I was unconscious a lot of it. So don't worry, that story coming as soon as we link back up. Miss Diversity. She tells it best. We were just talking about it the other night. Was it last night? But anyway. Yeah. So those are some things about me that y'all didn't know. And if you knew, you really didn't know nothing about me. But yes, I do. I like to do hair, but I don't want to do it professionally. Because, I don't know. I have my reasons. I'll just say that. That's why I just stick to doing mine and my daughter's. I still do other people's hair. Just not full time. But I am getting into doing my own nails. I've always done my own nails, but my own acrylic. I did Nyiah's, and now I'm interested. And yeah, you know, just doing my own and like recording it and showing y'all how I work my way up. Of course, that would be on By Misscutie. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, make sure you subscribe. That's my personal channel, y'all. Another thing y'all probably didn't know about me. So go subscribe. Y'all. I'm so pleased with this Dungeness crab. I just don't know what to say. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. My little lemon, not limes rather. Squeeze that on there. Yeah. Mmm. Oops. I'm making a mess everywhere. Everywhere. Whew. Can y'all see that smoke? The steam? Excuse me. Oh, that's good. Right now I'm letting my hair breathe. Every time I come between hairstyles, I like to let my hair breathe so it can grow properly. I got in a puff. My puff couldn't fit in the camera. There you go. And yes, it's my puff. I'm saying that because people, they ask. Like, is that your hair? So, I'm answering it before you ask. So yeah, I hope y'all I hope I answered your question about some stuff about me. Hope it was interesting. Yeah, I'm about to eat this egg and be done. I want the other side to get warm. I got my little lobster left. He was good too. And they're gonna leave making noises. Right, I done dirtied up my napkin so much. My hands are sticky. The ginger ale's good. And I see a gnat or something. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I am done. I hope you really enjoyed. I want to give a shout out to Chomp again for sharing your recipe for your sauce with us. It was very delicious and I did enjoy it. Y'all make sure to go check out her channel and check out her sauce if you want to make it yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to T&Leetv because it is the place to be. Don't forget to check the description box for the Epic Empire family. Make sure you go and check out the link for the coldest water. And don't forget to use discount code, or don't forget to use the promo code TV if you want free shipping. I'm done. I'm full and I love y'all. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.